Not just for the state of Maharashtra, but even for national capital Delhi. It's going to be a big day with regard to what the top court decides. Who controls Delhi? It's been a forever question, not just for the Lieutenant Governor and the Delhi Chief Minister, irrespective of who the LG is. But remember, even for the citizens of Delhi, it will be crucial. The 5-judge bench of the Apex Court will pronounce judgment on the scope of legislative and executive powers of the centre. And this is about the Delhi government and centre which control who has over administrative services. The Delhi government has sought from the Supreme Court a clear demarcation of its power, with the centre over the control of services. Now, the Delhi government has cited federalism, argued that Modi government was seeking to wipe out difference between centre and parliament, giving itself an executive override. But the centre has told the Supreme Court, Union Territory of Delhi is strategically important and hence the LG must have powers to maintain a balance. Supreme Court had heard the matter in January for 4 days, then reserved the order. Our legal correspondent Anisha Mathur for the latest on that. Anisha, of course, Arvind Kejriwal and his team will be watching very closely, but so will the Lieutenant Governor's office. But this has been a forever question. Even though there have been demarcations, there have always been lines that have been blurred, territories that have override on each other. What are we expecting today by the top court?
Well, Pooja, as you just pointed out, today will be a very crucial day for the city-state of Delhi. The Union Territory, which the centre has been claiming is because of strategic importance, must remain within certain level of control of the central government. On the other side, of course, the Aam Aadmi Party government saying that why have an elected legislature when you're not allowing them any powers to actually administer the state. This entire issue hinges on who exactly has the power to control the transfer postings and appointments of the officials which actually run the Delhi government. From the lowest official to the senior most secretary, everyone's transfer postings, deployments and disciplinary cadre will be decided by the Supreme Court today on who exactly has the administrative control. Remember, this issues began after the 2018 Constitution Bench verdict, where the court had held clearly that the LG is the administrator, but he has to act on the aid and advice of the elected government. However, in 2018, after the ACB issue had come up, this question came before the court that who exactly is the disciplinary authority over the officials in the city, who exactly can decide which officials will be posted where. And over the last year, where the multiple such issues have come up between the Aam Aadmi Party government and the LG, with the AAP continually making the allegation that the LG is interfering in the governance of the city, which is impacting the on-ground governance and the lives of the citizens of Delhi. Now, the court has a very crucial and very technical legal question to answer, which is that under the constitution, under the entries into the state list of the second schedule of the constitution, which defines the powers of the state, how far does the Delhi elected legislature's powers lie, and how far does the LG have the discretion to take any decisions for by himself, or take the decision with the advice of the President of India. The centre, of course...
Anisha, today with this decision of the top court, you know, it's not just about the civil servants or the LG or the Delhi Chief Minister, the politicians. It's also about citizens of Delhi, the reporters, for all of us to know precisely, for the end, for clarity, what is the demarcation, and perhaps top court can give clarity on that.